Have you ever stopped to think about how your lungs keep you alive? It's an incredible process that happens every second of your life, and you might not even notice. Today, let's break down the basics of the respiratory system and how it powers your body. Every breath you take brings oxygen into your body. It starts when you inhale through your nose or mouth. The air travels down your trachea, or windpipe, and heads toward your lungs. Think of your lungs like an upside-down tree. Your windpipe is the trunk, which splits into two large branches, called bronchi. These bronchi lead to each lung. Inside your lungs, the bronchi divide into even smaller branches, called bronchioles. At the end of each bronchiole are tiny air sacs, called alveoli. These alveoli are the real MVPs of your respiratory system. There are millions of these alveoli in your lungs. They're so small, but they play a huge role in keeping you alive. Here's how. When you inhale, oxygen fills your alveoli. Surrounding each alveolus is a web of tiny blood vessels, called capillaries. Oxygen passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and into your bloodstream. At the same time, your blood is dropping off carbon dioxide, a waste gas your body doesn't need. This carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli and is exhaled when you breathe out. This exchange of gases, oxygen in, carbon dioxide out, is called respiration. It's how your body gets the oxygen it needs to produce energy. But wait, how do your lungs actually move? They get help from a muscle, called the diaphragm. This dome-shaped muscle sits right below your lungs. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for your lungs to fill with air. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and pushes air out. So, why is oxygen so important? Once it's in your bloodstream, it travels to every cell in your body. Your cells use oxygen to produce energy through a process called cellular respiration. Without oxygen, your body wouldn't have the energy to move, think, or even breathe. Your respiratory system works tirelessly to keep you alive, one breath at a time. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember just how amazing your lungs are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating videos about how your body works. See you next time.